Hey, how's it going, everyone? I'm going to go over a penny stock that we had mentioned a couple of weeks ago, and I do want to give you guys an update video as the market has been having a sell-off, and I wanted to talk about this one in particular, if it is a buy on this dip or if it's something that you should wait for. So I'm going to go into this so you guys can see what I'm looking at here. So we are going to go into GNUS, again, GNUS. We have talked about this previously. We did trade this previously, as you could see, and again, we are having a sell-off in the market, and a lot of people are curious what kind of stocks to buy. So I want to go over GNUS to see if this is something that we should be entering, as it did hit our previous resistance, and we are seeing that it wants to create a new support possibly. But again, I'm going to go into this on the 5 minutes so you can see what we're looking at. So again, today we did have a huge sell-off. We see this huge green candle as it did try to recover. And as of right now, it looks like it's still selling off. And I definitely would be careful on the entries. Again, on most of these charts, again, most of these stocks, you'll notice that they're very similar where they have a huge dip. And a lot of us are curious if it's going to continue to reverse or if it's going to continue to sell off. So again, one thing you want to keep in mind when you're looking at these charts is that when something sells off so quickly, you want it to definitely consolidate or show some type of bullish movement going sideways and then upward. If it does spike back up, it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to continue to spike, because then again, that's also too much emotional reaction going upward. So again, we do have to go sideways, in my opinion, until we do enter in these stocks that have huge red candles like this. So again, GNUS, I definitely would wait. But again, I am long on this one. So again, I wouldn't blame you if you started to enter this one and started to average down at these levels, because it is on a huge sell-off that we haven't seen in a while. But again, you definitely want to be careful, because if it does break below the support line, again, we could see the huge sell-off going into the previous lows where you don't want to see around 35 cents. So again, we would probably see a huge loss at that point. So again, that's why I'm going to wait for confirmation. I'm going to wait for this to go sideways, come up, confirm, break up over 220 again, and give us a bullish momentum again. Till then, we want to make sure we're very careful. As you can see, I'm going to go in the IWM so you can see the overall market. You can see what's been going on. You can see it did sell off. It came up, it sold off. You can see it's not healthy at all as it comes up and sells off, and it's just asking for a huge sell-off, in my opinion. So again, that's why a lot of people are very scared right now, because not only is there a sell-off again, as we saw 2 previous times in the past, but we do have a sell-off that's hidden below the 50 MA, and we do have a sell-off with less volume than we've seen previously to keep this up. So again, we could possibly see a sell-off to around the $200 range on the IWM. So definitely be careful on most of these stocks that have that huge red candle. And again, much love to everybody, as you guys have been supporting me. I appreciate you all. Everybody in the comment section, much love to you all. And if you guys do have a watch list, throw in the comment section. Anything on your mind, throw in the comment section. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.